Writford, Tasks, your Matter to-do board. Tasks is your firm's to-do board, where every task is tied to a matter. See it as a Kanban board, a sortable list, or a calendar. Across the top, filter by what's due today, what's overdue, what's yours, or by matter priority, assignee, or label, and the columns track what's queued, in progress, and done. To add a task, click Add Task in any column. Give it a title, set the priority, pick a due date, and link it to a matter, and it lands on the board, color-coded by priority. Drag a task from To Do to In Progress to Done, and the counts keep score. Tick the checkbox to complete it in one click, and any task that runs past its due date is flagged red, so a deadline never slips by quietly. Open a task for the full picture. Add a description, a start and due date, a time estimate, and a checklist of substeps, with comments and an activity trail and files attached right to the task. Assign the task to yourself or a colleague. Add watchers to keep them in the loop and tag it with labels, so the whole team knows who's doing what. However big the list gets, you can find what matters. Search by title or notes, filter by matter, priority or assignee, switch to the list or calendar view, or press Command K and jump straight to any task. That's Tasks. Every to-do tied to a matter, never floating free. Next, we'll look at billing and finance. Writford, AI tailored for law. Get started at writford.co.uk.